It's a little bit of a controversial topic because to me, VLOOKUP is an outdated function. I understand some people still use it. I understand there are some small use cases, but to me, XLOOKUP is the new and improved lookup function. What XLOOKUP allows you to do is, well, any lookup function, it allows you to get the precise value that matches to whatever criteria that you can set. And what I especially like about XLOOKUP is the fact, a few things. First, unlike VLOOKUP, where you need to actually point to the number column that you want to pull, whether it's column 3, 4, 5, or whatever, you instead could just point to the actual lookup array. You can say, bring me the information from this column whenever it matches against that column. But what's also really great about XLOOKUP and index match, which is another one of my favorites, similar to XLOOKUP, is that you can do a two-way lookup with information. You can look up information horizontally and vertically, and it'll return that value. So we have a few people over here saying that XLOOKUP is the absolute winner, and that is not controversial. I don't want to offend anyone. If you love VLOOKUP, well, I challenge you to try XLOOKUP and see if you'll ever go back. I challenged my wife to do that, and she has never gone back, and I'm confident that you will all feel the same way. All right, how is XLOOKUP different from index match? It is a great question. The simple answer is pretty much the same. The extended answer is XLOOKUP has a few additional criteria that you can use. Let me actually go to that, where if the value is not found, you could return a value. So instead of wrapping around an if error, you could return a different value. And the match mode can also be specified where it'll be a little bit more efficient with the way that it actually, well, actually no, the match mode is an exact versus a different. There's a search mode. There's one more criteria that we don't have here. And that would just showcase whether you search from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. It also is specifically a dynamic array function. I personally like index X match the best because I find the syntax the easiest. I actually have a LinkedIn learning course on lookup functions where I cover both of those. If you're welcome, you can use that. Catherine, is the model as add-in required? It is not. You can just X out if you don't want to use it. If you do want to utilize it and you have a QuickBooks Online account, you can get it connected to your data entirely for free.